In a move that has sparked intense debate, the Justice Department has taken legal action against 6 states, accusing them of withholding voter registration rolls, a decision that could have far-reaching implications for election integrity. But here's where it gets controversial. While the department claims this is about ensuring fair elections, critics argue it's an overreach that could compromise voter privacy. Let's dive into the details and explore why this issue is far from black and white. On Thursday, the Justice Department filed lawsuits against California, Michigan, Minnesota, New York, New Hampshire, and Pennsylvania, alleging these states violated federal law by refusing to hand over their voter registration lists. The suits, filed in federal courts, aim to compel election officials to provide comprehensive voter data, including names, birth dates, driver's license numbers, and partial Social Security numbers. According to Attorney General Pam Bondi, clean voter rolls are the foundation of free and fair elections. States that fail to maintain accurate and secure records will face legal action. And this is the part most people miss. The Justice Department argues that access to these rolls is essential to verify compliance with the Help America Vote Act, a federal law designed to ensure proper list maintenance. Without this data, they claim, it's impossible to confirm whether states are meeting their legal obligations. However, this stance has ignited a fiery debate over the balance between election oversight and individual privacy rights. This isn't the first time the Justice Department has pursued such action. Earlier, Oregon and Maine faced similar lawsuits for failing to provide information on their voter list maintenance procedures. The current suits stem from requests made earlier this year by Bondi, who sought to examine state compliance with voting rights laws. Yet several states pushed back, citing concerns over privacy and the lack of a clear legal basis for the request. For instance, California's Secretary of State raised alarms about privacy protections, while Minnesota's top lawyer questioned the Justice Department's authority to demand the data. New Hampshire's Secretary of State went a step further, asserting that state law explicitly prohibits the disclosure of voter registration lists. These responses highlight the complex tension between federal oversight and state autonomy. The backdrop to this legal battle is President Trump's long-standing criticism of state voting procedures. For years, he has alleged, without evidence, that voter rolls are riddled with inaccuracies, including dead voters and non-citizens. His claims of widespread fraud in the 2020 election, repeatedly debunked by courts, have fueled this push for greater federal scrutiny. In January, Trump signed an executive order requiring proof of citizenship on national voter registration forms, a move that federal judges later blocked. Here's the million-dollar question. Is the Justice Department's pursuit of voter rolls a necessary step to safeguard election integrity, or does it represent an unwarranted intrusion into state affairs and voter privacy? While ensuring accurate voter rolls is undeniably important, the methods and motivations behind this effort have raised legitimate concerns. What do you think? Is this a justified measure, or has the line been crossed? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Your perspective matters.